5 finalists. And we would like to call our partner from SGV, Mr. Johnny Ang, for the results. Hello, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Please do the honors. Mind you, this is in no particular order.
In no particular order, again.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
And the top 5 are Sana Lang Ako by Lara Maige, performed by Karel. Dati, Tyra Alfaro and Yuri Samana, performed by Sam Concepcion and Fido Santos, featuring Quest. Papel by Joey Ayala, performed by Joey Ayala and Block 9, featuring Denise Barbacena. Pansamantagal by Junji Marcelo, performed by City Navarro and Julian Taroja. And of course, Kung Di Man by Jonay Danao, performed by Nate Di Makulangan.
Congratulations to our top 5. Up next, who will be the 1 million peso grand prize winner for the Philpop Music Festival 2013? Abangan sa aming pagbabalik.